This thing is dumb fun. You know it's not fun? This Arizona weather, bro. What are you doing? I've been gone for 25 minutes. I got 900 miles to go to get back to Dallas. And this thing is stupid fun. But she is dumb tail happy in the rain too. So we're gonna get on the road. I'm gonna keep my handy dandy camera available because look over there, that's beautiful. But we gotta go through that. So we're gonna get while the getting's good. I gotta show y'all real quick a cold start. Here, we're gonna baby. Roll down the window that far. Here you go. Here you go. You ready? Ooh. Ooh. And that's not even Sport Plus mode, dog. Stop it. When you know you made the right purchase. Oh, brother. That. Oh, that. That's. Let's get on the road. My God. Hey, semi. We're making some good time. Come on, focus. We're making some good time, but I just hit hardcore accident traffic, dude. Hardcore. Also, this thing gets really good gas mileage. Anyway, as I was trying to say, I have a half tank left, and I still have 208 miles of range. That's pretty fucking phenomenal, honestly. This point. And Google Maps took me off of the highway and sent me on this route. Off of it. Onto a closed road that I now need to backtrack like 15 fucking miles. Oh, I was at 7. So, super weird status update. After the letdown right there, Google for some reason went on the fritz when I was already extremely tired. I got to a point of like rage right there. It backtracked me over an hour to get back on track. So I decided to pull over at a state rest stop here in New Mexico and just get some sleep. So it took an hour. I feel a lot better actually. So we got what, 7 hours to go? Let's get this thing home. Sun's gonna be coming up soon and we're gonna be hitting rush hour traffic and I really don't want to deal with that, so let's see how far we can get before we have to. Also, the M4 competition. This car is ridiculous. But the one thing that I will say, I know they cut some weight out of, I think it was like 200 kilograms or I don't even know if it was that much. A lot of it was the sound deadening because you hear and feel everything. It is a raw experience, and if you want a car that is driver-centric, that has actually extremely good power, stock, and I stay in stock, let's be real, but stock, very good power, dude, you need to look into the G Series. The G Series M cars, because, I mean, I've got 1,000 miles into it already, and I'm highly impressed. I'll get you the sunrise here in a minute. I feel like we could all share that together, right? So, status report. We are back in Texas, the land of 93 and actual fast cars. I mean, just for my boy DJ. Here. Yeah. Enjoy that, buddy. 355? 355. Man, I'm tired. Holy shit. 355 for premium. 93. There's 91 stuff, man. This ain't it. I'm tired. I've got another 150 miles to go. And then I'm going to sleep for a week. Let's talk about the car. First off, she wasn't completely empty, so I mean, it wasn't crazy. But also, that's not bad either. I, so far, love this thing. It's getting way more looks than I was expecting. There's a whole bunch of nuances I gotta learn. I'm very used to the Brabus. I'm very used to the Audi. The learning curve is real. The technology is a little wild. However, BMW and their underrating of their power is a damn good time. This car is going to end up being ridiculous, and I can't wait. I know I sound like I'm way out of it, and this is probably the most boring thing you'll ever see video-wise, but also the key proximity thing, that shit is annoying. I gotta be honest. We get it. I was talking shit. Okay. All right, cool. And the mirror's folding. Sick. Anyway, I'm gonna get back on the road because your boy's tired, and we'll finish that out in the garage. Okay. Not gonna lie, I got home. I was too tired. I did not care about filming an outro to a YouTube video. I'm gonna be 100% with y'all. However, it's been about a week now. I love this car. And I don't say that lightly. A lot of you know that my taste in cars changes constantly. This thing is a riot. That drive home sucked. I know that you can actually see the downfall of me in that video where I'm just kind of falling apart and getting more and more tired. I didn't film a whole lot because I was really trying to enjoy the drive, playing with the car. I should have filmed more. That's my mistake. However, and in doing so, I learned some of the outputs of this car, some of the things it likes, some of the things it definitely doesn't like. The traction control in this car is pretty much non-existent. And then I turned it all the way off, and that got real wild. Power delivery on this car, 503 stock BMW are bull-faced liars. I think with some of the mods that we purchased this week that you will see going on the car here soon, and then shout out to my guys over at Eurocharge because we're going to be spending some time with them. This car would absolutely dominate and walk the Brabus. Now, that's not to say that the Brabus wasn't a great car, because it was. I love that thing. That was a monster amongst men. But the tunability of the S58 is going to be insane. I mean, for God's sakes, look out RK Tunes. This guy ran a 7 yesterday. A 7 in an inline 6. Mind-blowing, dude. Mind-blowing. Modern day 2JZ. That's what I would say this thing is at this point. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to build a monster. Do I suggest buying a car sight unseen across the country and then driving it back home in the same night? No, don't. Don't do that. That's not a good time. However, if things hadn't gone as crazy as they had the whole day with Diedrich, where kind of everything that could happen did happen, probably would have got on the road a little bit sooner. Should I have been responsible and probably stayed the night at their house and just crashed out and left in the morning? Probably. Would that probably have saved me a lot of headache? Absolutely. But the number one thing we could take away from this video, I love this car, and I absolutely hate Google. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name's Alex. Everybody knows me as 86 Face. We build cars. We do anything fast enough to do something stupid. If you're here for that kind of ride, or if you want to play, message me, email me, do what you do. Like, share, subscribe. Stay savage.